Hello everyone, just wanted to introduce you to one of our standard kits from our aerospace range. This kit is our Mech Kit 3 Stahlwille, or part number is Mech Kit 3-SW. This box comes complete with a telescopic handle and wheels for portability. The box itself sits at 580mm wide by 380mm deep and 460 high. The telescopic handle comes up 1080mm tall. So the box is lockable, so I'll just unlock it there for you. The toolbox comes complete with a tool list specific with B1 LAMEs or mechanical engineers in mind. We select top quality tools from top manufacturers. This particular kit, the spanners and sockets are all Stahlwille, the screwdrivers are all Wiha, and the pliers and multi-grips are all Knipex. The tools are held in with a Lexan panel, clear panel, so you can obviously see the tools for FOD reasons. Just wanted to also show you, we offer a laser marking service, as you can see here, so we can add a toolkit number or engineer's name or whatever to the toolkit. I'll just give you a brief run through of the tools in this kit. So there's some 1/4" spanners and sockets there, ratcheting screwdriver, pliers, screwdrivers, lock-in pliers and some wire twisting pliers as well. In this drawer here is 3/8 drive spanners and sockets and drive tools, all Stahlwille in there. Got a range of combination wrenches, also Stahlwille, ranging up to 1 inch, all imperial. We can also build these kits in metric if need be, just ask us. This drawer here is with some inspection tools, torches and hooks and picks and the like. The bottom drawer is hammers and punches and some hex keys. These drawers are removable. All you have to do is push down these 2 red clips and you can remove the drawer very easily. This means that if you would like, you can buy extra drawers and put specialist tooling in and switch them out if need be, if you need to go on a special job. The one thing that's unique about Henchman is that we can fully customize these toolkits to your requirement. We can, if you wanted to remove some tools, we can take them out and add them in and fully configure the foam to suit. We can also add in specialist tools that you may have already. We just need to generate the outlines and can cut that into the foam. And we can complete the whole package, including all the laser etching and everything. We ship anywhere in the world, and we have these kits in stock in either our Stahlwille version or our Proto version. So please inquire today. Thanks.